feels off. And no excuses. Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Track Use. I am once again on my way to the driver development track at Canadian Tire Motorsports Park. We're planning to do another time attack event at this track later in the year, so we might as well practice as much as we can. So let's go and chase the personal bests. All right, first session of the day. Let's see how the car feels. Let's see how the track feels. Let's see where the grip is. And build up to it. 142.0. Not too bad. Not too bad for the first session of today. Right, second session. Let's go. The best I could do was 142.2. I don't know. I thought I could go 141 in this session, but something feels off. I don't know. Maybe it's the tire pressures, or maybe the tires are getting a little too hot, or maybe I'm not as smooth as I should be. I don't know, but something definitely feels off. All right. Third session, and this is probably going to be my last session of today. I gave the car a good look. I reset the tire pressures. I checked the brakes. I checked everything. Everything looks okay. The car should feel okay. So no excuses. Let's go. Okay guys, that is it. 141.0. I'm pretty happy with the progress. The last time I was here, I had 144 with a passenger and 8009s as my tires. So when you think about that, it's not crazy amount of progress, but it's still progress, and I'm happy with it. Like I said in the beginning, we're just practicing as much as we can. We're trying to get as much seat time as possible so that when the event comes, we're as ready as possible, right? So that was the goal of today. I think we can use a little bit of suspension tuning. The car is rolling over a little too much, and now that we have taller sidewalls and also softer sidewalls, I think overall the car is a little too soft for DDT at least. So that's definitely something we need to look at and like figure out what to do about. But other than that, everything was perfect. The temps were okay. It was a relatively hot day, but nothing got too hot. If you enjoy our content, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.